Hello everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review one of the most awaited Tamil films for the past 2 years now, Master, starring the one and only Thalapathy Vijay and Makkad Selvan Vijay Sethupathi. I watched this movie here in Florida where I am right now, and the show before me, the first show, was completely sold out, and a couple shows after the one that I went to were also sold out. So really, the people are going and watching this movie. Of course, there's a lot of safety precautions and seats that are spread out, so the movie is doing well here already on day one. The first thing I want to talk about is the fact that this was a big celebration film that we have all been waiting for from Thalapathy Vijay. And to add to that bonus element is the fact that it's a movie with Vijay Sethupathi as well, and directed by Lokesh Kanagraj. This is a combo that nobody imagined would come together, and it's definitely a very very entertaining result. We have fan base of Thalapathy Vijay that can enjoy his complete swag, his style, his action packed sequences, even his comedy and his dance. And we have fans of Vijay Sethupathi as well, who can enjoy his brilliant, seamless, natural performance, as well as his complete unique style and a very unique role that he has got in this movie. There are a lot of expectations from the fact that this is a movie directed by Lokesh Kanagraj. I don't think that those particular fans that were looking for something completely unique and the director's style to come in will be extremely satisfied with that part, because it still is a completely action-packed Thalapathy Vijay style film. But that being said, it is important that it is that kind of a film, because a lot of people are finally going back to the theaters to watch that celebration, that music, that action, and that kind of a blockbuster and fun movie. Intense, which has a decent story and intense action packed sequences, and that is definitely something that will be fulfilled, and people are going to have a really good time in the movie. The one thing that the film could have definitely improved on is the fact that it is 3 hours long, and you definitely feel the pain of sitting through the movie for 3 long hours. There are several song sequences that could have been trimmed down, there are a couple action sequences that could have been trimmed down, and so on and so forth. In addition to these aspects, there are other actors in the film such as Arjun Das, who we saw in Andagaram, brilliant movie and a brilliant actor, and he really stands out in this movie as well with his very interesting character and great performance. Malvika Mohanan is very refreshing to watch on screen, but her character is in and out for a couple minutes here and there, and does not really have a very well etched out written character. We also have Andrea Jeremiah in the movie with a very small character, along with Shantanu Bhagyaraj, who you might even miss if you sort of go take a break during the movie, because his role is that small. And I was actually looking forward to watching more of him in this movie, especially after Pava Karegal, but unfortunately his role was too small. In terms of the story element of the movie, I really was hoping more from Lokesh Kanagraj and a sort of more unique, creative storytelling experience. That was not delivered, but that doesn't mean that the film is not entertaining enough or fun to watch. I was just hoping that there could have been some interesting elements thrown in there, some good twists and turns for us, and maybe even some better scenes or mass sequences or celebratory sequences in there that can get very interesting. With two heroes, you could have so much opportunity with a unique director like Lokesh Kanagraj to put them together and have some unique plot points and some twists and turns and sort of make it even more action packed and interesting. But that was not done. For the most part, the movie travels in these parallel stories of Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi. No spoilers here at all. And I think their interaction could have been enhanced and increased in this movie for the audience to enjoy their chemistry together on screen. However, for the most part of the movie, you have to wait for them to interact with each other, and that I think could have been definitely better done. Thalapathy Vijay does a great performance. I think very smooth, seamless performance. He's looking young and fresh than ever, stylish, and just completely sails through the movie like a breeze. I think after his past few movies, this one definitely felt like he's actually playing the master, he's actually playing a character, and I think that part was very well done. Same for Vijay Sethupathi. In his past few movies, again, he gives a couple good movies and then a couple commercial ones, so there's always a hit and miss recently with him. But over here, I think he's taken the character to heart and put in all the effort, and you can see that on screen because all you see is Bhavani the character. You don't necessarily see a lot of Sethupatism in this movie, which is obviously a good thing. So overall, this is definitely an entertaining movie. After so many years, everyone was waiting for such a movie. It is definitely exciting to go and watch it, enjoy it, celebrate it, and just be happy that it's a new year now in 2021 and you get to watch such a big movie on the screen to start off 2021. Definitely worth a watch and something you probably cannot avoid. But at the same time, it could have been a little better in terms of the content itself, in terms of the screenplay, in terms of some twists and turns and creativity from the director. So really the main part missing is the director's identity himself, which we have obviously seen his talent and we are looking forward to much more from him. So overall, 3.5 stars for Master. I like the movie. If you go check it out, definitely leave your comments below and tell me what you guys thought of the movie as well. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching for much more.